What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have adjustable ratchet wrench, you guys. Another one, all right? Now, this one is a little bit different than the other one. Has a different style to it, at least. But we are going to go ahead and get into this. I can compare, contrast, see the difference between the other one that I just bought and this one. Once again, we are rebuilding our toolboxes, you guys. Out with the old tools, in with the new tools. The adjustable wrench will probably be one of your best friends in the world. It's just a tool to have it's convenient. You know, you're not looking through a whole lot of tools for like a certain ratchet or something like that, or you're looking for a certain socket. You can go ahead, get your adjustable wrench and get your turn on. All right, so you grip on to the bolt and then you turn. So the opening that you have on here, you got about 1.25 inches of opening on here. It's very smooth when adjusting it from going to smaller size to a bigger size. Very smooth. Now for the ratchet part, in the middle they have on and off. So you can actually turn the ratchet mechanism off if you don't want it to ratchet no more. Or you can have the ratchet on and go ahead and do your thing right there. This is 8 inches. Let's see. Yeah. So this is an 8-inch wrench. They do have a 10-inch. So I'm going to try to put this to the test. Just try to take off a nut, a bolt, nut, whatever. Try to take it off and, you know, just check it out so y'all can see it in action. So let me go ahead, look for something that I can take apart, and then we could finalize this review. But other than that, this feels pretty cool too. I should have got the 10-inch. I think I should have got the 10-inch, you guys. But there's always room to buy another one, right? I can just go ahead and give me a 10-inch and call it a day. So I'll think about it. They do have some other cool adjustable ratchet wrenches on the market. So, but this one is awesome though, because the grip feels comfortable. Catch on a little bit. Okay, you guys, so you basically saw the ratchet in action, the adjustable wrench ratchet. So if you have it on ratchet mode, it's easy to turn when you're tightening. Now I'm gonna go back to loosen and see if there's any difference when loosening it. So when you loosen, oh no, that's tight. I'm tripping. My bad. When you loosen, no, that's tight. What am I doing? There you go. See how this goes back nice and easy? Very smooth. All right, we're going to tighten, but we're still on the ratchet mode. And you see, it just goes easy. Okay. And then you tighten it some more. When you tighten it more, you basically don't need the ratchet mode on. But it's still on the ratchet mode. So there you go. This is pretty cool, you guys. I'm not going to lie. But once again, still keep the old school adjustable wrench. You know, the one that's like this, but still metal. Just the old school one. It's always good to have that one around. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.